Hello! Welcome to today's lesson on increasing efficiency. Today, we will firstly explore the role of lubrication in reducing friction and improving efficiency in moving systems. Then we will learn how streamlining reduces drag, helping systems move more efficiently through fluids. Finally, we will reinforce the concept of minimizing heat loss as a way to improve the efficiency of energy transfer. So far, you have learned about efficiency and how it is a measure of how well energy is used for its intended purpose without being wasted. Building on this foundation, we can now explore specific methods to increase efficiency. This lesson will enhance our understanding of physical principles and how they apply to practical scenarios, helping us identify and implement strategies to minimize energy loss. Let's get started. Now that we understand what efficiency is and how to measure it, the next step is to learn how to improve efficiency in various systems. Increasing efficiency means maximizing the amount of useful energy output while minimizing energy waste. One effective way to increase efficiency in mechanical systems is through lubrication. Lubrication involves applying a substance, usually oil or grease, to the moving parts of a machine. The purpose of lubrication is to reduce friction between these moving parts. When two surfaces move against each other, friction occurs, causing some of the input energy to be lost as heat. By applying lubrication, the friction between the surfaces is reduced, leading to smoother motion. With decreased friction, less energy is lost as heat. Therefore, more of the input energy can be directed towards the intended purpose, thereby increasing the efficiency of the system. Think of a bicycle chain. Without lubrication, the chain grinds against the gears, causing friction that makes pedaling harder and reduces the bike's efficiency. Adding oil to the chain reduces this friction, making the bike easier to pedal and improving its efficiency. In an engine, motor oil is used to lubricate the moving parts. This reduces friction and allows the engine to run more smoothly, using less fuel to achieve the same output, hence improving fuel efficiency. Another method to increase efficiency is streamlining, particularly in systems that involve the movement of fluids, such as air or water, or objects moving through these fluids. When objects move through the air, they face a force called air resistance, or drag, which opposes their motion. The amount of air resistance depends on the shape, size, and speed of the object. Streamlining involves designing the shape of an object to reduce resistance or drag from the fluid it moves through. In streamlined designs, the shape of the object allows the fluid to flow smoothly over it, reducing the amount of energy lost to overcoming drag. By reducing air resistance, less energy is required to move the object through the air. Thus, a greater percentage of the input energy is utilized for productive work, thereby increasing efficiency. Modern cars are designed with aerodynamic shapes to reduce air resistance. This allows them to travel faster and more efficiently, consuming less fuel for a given distance, which improves fuel economy. In systems where heat is a byproduct of energy conversion, minimizing heat loss is crucial for improving efficiency. Heat loss occurs when thermal energy escapes from a system, reducing the amount of useful energy available. We can minimize heat loss by using insulating materials that slow down the transfer of heat. This keeps the energy where it's needed, improving the overall efficiency of the system. As we discussed in a previous lesson, strategies like double-glazed windows, cavity wall insulation, and loft insulation are all effective ways to minimize heat loss in homes. By keeping heat inside, these strategies ensure that less energy is needed to maintain the desired temperature, making the home more energy efficient. By integrating these principles of lubrication, streamlining, and reducing heat loss into the design and operation of systems, we can significantly enhance their efficiency. In today's lesson, we explored methods to increase efficiency in energy systems, focusing on lubrication, streamlining, and reducing heat loss. By understanding these principles of lubrication, streamlining, and heat loss reduction, we can effectively apply them to improve energy efficiency in real-world scenarios.